Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Have you ever opened a text field in Odoo and paused, unsure how to begin? Or maybe you've written something quickly, but it doesn't quite sound right. Too long, too formal, or just a bit unclear. With Odoo's AI powered text tools, you don't have to handle that alone. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how AI can help you generate new content and improve existing text right where you're already working. Whether you're drafting a message to a customer or refining internal notes, these tools are designed to make writing faster and easier. Let's jump in and take a look at this in action, shall we? Okay, we've been working on building out our knowledge base here at Stealthywood, putting together some help articles for our customers. However, we still have some work to do. So, as you'll notice over here, we have our nice little help section. And I want to add a small introduction to this article telling customers what kind of information they will find here. Unfortunately, my wonderful and talented writers are unavailable at the moment. So I'm going to need to rely on good old AI to help me. So I'm actually just going to click right below this welcome to the help center area. We're going to delete that out and we're going to do our nice little slash right there. Now we have our power box. Then I'm going to type in the word AI right here and we're going to start generating. We're going to select it and we can get started immediately with this nice little conversation window where I can enter my prompt. When it comes to writing a prompt, I want to make sure that I am keeping it simple and straightforward while also providing clear and specific context. So in this case, so that I don't actually mess it up, we are going to paste in our nice little prompt. I'm going to ask AI today to write a nice, short, informative article for us. So we're going to paste that in. Boom. Going to let it think for a second right there. Perfect. It's quite fast. Okay, so I want to make sure that I give any AI generated text a thorough review to ensure accuracy. But when I am sure that I like it inside of here, and I do like it, I can insert it directly into the article. Once you hover your generated text, you'll notice that this button appears below that wasn't there. So for this one, it will allow me to copy the text if I use the right hand side, or I can also use the use this option, which pretty much injects it exactly where I had typed in that slash when I need it. And I need it. Boom! Just like that, instantaneously. I'm going to minimize this real quick. It's right there. And I can make any changes I need to further customize the text if I would like to by going back in here. Nice. It's pretty good. Now, that is great for generating new text, but what about making improvements on existing text? So here we have a list of all of our nice little articles and sub-articles inside of them. Let's make our way over to our facts. We have a nice little list, and to be honest, some of these could use some work. So right here, I have a question. How your materials, how, oh, wow, I can't read today and I have glasses on. Are your materials sustainable? So the answer for this one is not great. See if we can improve that, shall we? So I'm actually going to select this text right here. And you notice when I did that, there's a nice little icon, AI. We're going to click it once again. So once again, we have a new conversation window to chat with our friendly AI. And this time, I don't even have to provide a prompt. I just click rewrite selected text. AI thinks for a second, and I think that's a much better answer. So just like before, I can click the use this button, or I can also click the other one that also does the copying. We're just going to use the use this, and boom, injected right away. Now I just have to finish the rest of these, and we're going to be all set. And that's it. As you've seen, Odoo AI fits naturally into the way you already work. By using these tools in your daily workflow, writing quickly becomes less of a task and more of a nice little step in your process, which helps you communicate clearly and efficiently every single time. Till next time, Odooers, go grab a snack. I'm having Easter candy.